So if you're either into 3D printing or Fortnite right now, you've probably already seen these little guys everywhere. And for those of you who aren't into either, these little cute things are called sprites. And yes, I am obsessed with them. Now, even though all of these sprites are adorable in their own little way, a few weeks ago, I really wanted to print one variant in particular, the extremely popular 0-point Gummy Sprite. But there was one major problem. How do I create the gummy look, transitioning from green to red, without it looking like a Christmas ornament, half green and half red? The best way I figured was to buy this silk dual-colored red and green filament from Amazon, since that's usually the go-to method when you want to 3D print an object that merges two colors. Well, as you can see, the end result was meh, not good. So now what? So that's when I remembered that Bambulab released a new color mixing feature in Bambu Studio, their slicing software, that had the potential of producing entirely new colors, or even a gradient effect, which is exactly what I needed. So I decided to put this new tool to the test, and the end results are pretty cool. So let me take you through the process of how I created this gummy look by using the new Bambu Studio feature. I hope this video will help you out. But with that, I'm Eric Sauer with Sweet and Sour 3D. I'll catch you in the next one.